can't believe it came out like this. I'm so excited. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Don't go nowhere. Holy mackerel. When you've never wood carved, if you've never, I never have wood carved anything like this. I've only been wood carving for about 9 months, and it's been a journey. People want to follow. Never done it. My Incredible Hulk. Feels good. It's my first one. From a log to this. Insane. That's just the first one. Imagine in 6 more months to a year what I'll be doing. Huh. Yeah. Didn't do a lot of videoing, just here's and there's. So, sorry about that. I didn't know how it was going to turn out, what I wanted to do. But this is just the beginning. So if you guys want to see some more carvings from me, let me know in the comments of what you guys want to see. Tell me what you like, and there's going to be so much more wood carvings. I'm about to go back out in the forest. You actually get to see where I actually get all these logs. My videos of camping and getting logs and bringing them back, and you get to see all that. I know a lot of wood carvers out there don't really show where they got it. They just show, what they want to. So I'm going to show you a lot more of where I get logs and bringing them home, and what I'm carving out of them. So thanks for watching my video. I appreciate you. I'll see you next time on my wood carvings.